Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to explain to you static block or static initializers. Okay, let's see. I've written a class here, static initializer order class, and it has two static variables. Okay, and one instance variable. Okay, then I have static blocks 1, 2, 3. I have 3 static blocks. Okay, then I have a constructor here, then I have instance block or non-static block. I'm just going to explain what is the execution, the order of the execution. First, the static variables will be initialized, that means these two lines will be executed. Then static blocks are executed, that means in the textual order. First, this block will be the way it is presented in the class, the same order. First this block, second, third, these blocks will be executed. Then these things will happen whenever a class is loaded, that means whenever this class is encountered by the JVM. Okay, whenever class is loaded, the static variables are called, executed. The next step is once the object is created. So here we are creating an object creation is happening here. So object creation, instance variable, this variable will be called, or this line will be executed, and non-static block will be executed. Fourth one, this will be executed, and fifth one is constructor will be executed. Where is the constructor? Here, the constructor will be executed. So let's see this order. I am going to debug now. I've started the debugging. Let's see how exactly it works. So I told you the static variables are initialized first. Okay, then can you see it didn't go here because it's an instance variable. The other two are static variables. It didn't initialize this directly, it went to static blocks. Okay, then it comes to the second static block, textual order. It is following the textual order. Then it goes to the object creation. It calls the main method where we are doing an object creation. So during the object creation, whenever you use object creation using new operator, instance variables are executed, then the non-static block or instance block is executed, then it comes to constructor. Okay, then normal flow. So this is how the static blocks are called. Okay, so you can tell to the interviewer during the class loading static blocks will be executed. So please remember these 5 order of execution in your class. And one more thing I want to show you, I have opened the decompiled class. The class here you are seeing, right? So I have decompiled it, I'm showing it. So how the compiler has changed everything. So if you see the code, the static blocks here and here, but the compiler has combined all the static blocks in one single static block, and instance block and constructor are combined together. Can you see here? This one and this one are combined together. Okay, and the other things are normal. Okay, so this will give you an idea how the static blocks are executed, what is the order. Okay, and instance block, what is the difference between instance block and static block. So if I don't have this line at all, then these two lines will not be executed. That is, instance block will not be executed, constructors will not be executed. So that means static block is executed during the class loading. Okay, so I would suggest please remember these 5 points, how the order of execution happens in a Java program. It starts with class loading, then it goes to the object creation. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.